What da da dang ding. Jamaica, Jamaica, galang galang. Jamaica, Jamaica, galang galang. Me say me know about Jamaica. Go let me tell you, say me know about Jamaica. Well, watch your man, Jamaica is.
Yes, guys, it's a beautiful Friday morning. Yes, man, glad for a little sunshine now because of beer rain, beer rain. Glad for sunshine. Yes, man, beer rain, beer rain. And today, we have a look some Bissy. We buy some Bissy tea. Yes, man. So, this is the Bissy tree, guys. So, all who don't know the Bissy tree, so how it look. Yeah, man, Bissy tree, guys. So, all who never see it before. This is it. I'm soon going up close. Look at the leaves and all that. So, when you go somewhere, so who don't know it, when you go somewhere, when you can say, some of the tree there, and you can check if you see under the tree. Yeah, man. So, there we go, look. See, some young one, some young tree. Yeah. We have quite a few biscuit under the tree, guys. So, we have one right here, so already. Yeah, one right here, so. One there to put that right there. I have one more right here, so. Yeah, man. Do that. We have quite a few more, because you see I have one more right here, so. Don't end up a long time, don't end up good again. So, me thought the one here. Maybe a rat. I have Bissy right here, so. Yeah. And so you have two around here from the tree. I'll go around and see it. Yeah, man. That's the Bissy, guys. Yeah, man. The Bissy tree leaf looks similar like the chocolate leaf. Help on the chocolate tree, help on the Bissy tree. You have similar, you know, similar thing. I know the Bissy guy is good for poisoning and all that. So you have Bissy and a tree, I see me. Not Bissy and a tree, man. Yeah, but me don't want much. I just told what more, because I know when I clean it and grate it, enough this. Yeah, man. Good Bissy, you know, Chris Bissy, good for poisoning and all that. So, back in the days, you know, of a dog and realize say the dog more slow because of a poison, or if I see him say, boy, dog get poison, we just get a Bissy seed, grate it, put in water, and just drench him, because you know the dog not gonna drink the Bissy like that. So if you hold him and throw it down and throw it and thing. And 2 toes in good again, Bissy, a very good thing. Good for poisoning, very, very good something. But can't drink too much, you know, guys, because I know people drink Bissy tea, but you can't drink too much because Bissy, you know, tea, we make you can't sleep at night time. Like, if you drink it too much in the morning or you drink too much in the night, or maybe drink a cup on the night, if you can't sleep because of the caffeine night. Yeah, man. So, if you don't want to sleep, I would advise a person to drink Bissy night. Because maybe you can't go sleep, maybe you can't go bed. Yeah, man. Very good thing, man. So yeah, this man, get them here clean up and greater and sugar on everything. Yeah, man. Long term publicity. So let's go make some publicity. Yeah. And so me have Chinatown tree right here, guys. Flavor, very nice flavor, man. Put in the food, give food a nice flavor. And a steamed fish, very nice. Rice and peas, very nice. And man, tree may come good. The size of banana pick off, no leaf of height until it's a certain height. You know, because planting it the first time, true, I love use it. I never that wait until the tree get big. I pick up the leaves, so one leaf come pick it up and the tree dead and things. So I say, so I now pick the more vitamin seed. That come good. Yeah. Look at that beauty. You know, in that country, you can picture anytime. I can, you know, get busy. Nice banana come right here, guys. And guys, more to check out Beaded by Trish for all your beaded bags on Instagram or on TikTok. I think she have Facebook also. So if you want your nice clean beaded bags, check out Beaded by Trish. When I go up on her profile, if I see a bag design we like but not in the color, I can reach out to her and she make it in the color we want. If you have a design in mind and you don't see it on her profile, you can reach out to her and she make the bag we want. So just reach out, man, to Beaded by Trish. The bags them make out of good quality beads, so you don't have to worry about the quality. Very good quality beads, man. Just reach out to her, man, and get a nice beaded bags. If you want a small bag for your phone, she got that. Any design you want, man, any occasion you want, you can reach out to Beaded by Trish and get a beaded bag to suit that occasion. Yeah, man, so Instagram, TikTok, link her, man, and get a nice bag. So man them, get a girlfriend a bag, get a sister a bag, get a mother a bag. Or the females them, buy a bag for yourself, man. Or buy a bag for your mother or somebody. Buy a bag, man. Support Beaded by Trish.
Tracy, and she creates unique bags and other items from beads. Joining us now to share her journey with this business. Good morning, Trishan. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Excellent. So your work is very, very unique. I'm curious to find out how you started and got into this business.
All right, it started out of a need for me to have an additional income because based on the job I was doing at the time, it wasn't enough money for me. So I wanted to also do something that I was passionate about because I'm a very crafty, DIY type person. So I wanted to do something that I also enjoyed. So I did some research. I watched a video of an African lady. She was making these type of bags and I was like, whoa, that's something that I could try. So I did my research from there, bought my first set of beads, and that's where it started.
So beads.
Yes.
Okay, I want to do something different. Let me do beads.
Yes.
Beads. Why did beads call your name?
Because when I was looking for a side hustle, I realized most markets are saturated. So persons are in the hair and the clothes and all of that.
The fashion.
Right.
Yeah, fashion.
And even the handbags, you know, the common ones that most persons wear.
Alright guys, so my greater piece of coconut put with the basic, I don't know one flavor, one thing nice. And so we also have one we lock up. Or advice if we find the one way we open, you know, I don't know if I can cut it and use the same way. So we say take one way open, because I'm not sure we lock up one, you know. So I'll get this start out. I'll take this one because there's enough part, enough tea I make. Yeah, so some cinnamon powder and vanilla and mixed spice, kind of one thing nice, you know. Alright, so coconut done start out. So I'm gonna get the Bissy start out now. See this one start crack already guys, it's sun. Make it start crack fast. Alright. I'll use one seed. Alright, so what it up me now guys? This sweet, you know. Right, love this. This sweet. So I scrape it off. And guys, so you do like this, you have a grate it before the seed get dry. Because when the seed dry, get really tough. So but in a grate it when the seed green. Just grate it when the seed green, make it dry and then put it up. I'm gonna use one today. I can't use too much, you know guys. If I use too much, the tea or taste away it are bitter. Our taste too strong, so you can't use too much. Yeah. So I'm gonna get it wash off and grate up now. Alright guys, so I'll get it grate up, you know. Alright, see the guys, so we'll get it boiled up now, you know. So what I do, just do this and then boil it about 20 minutes. So I get it on the fire and come back. So I come back, this one boiled already, right? The tea done boiled and we're going to sweeten it with milk and spice it up. And the tea are so nice. When I make it and the remainder, make it cool, then put it in the fridge. Very nice, coming off roads. Very, very nice. Yeah, so I use one, my great iris, put it for dry and put it up. I don't know, this tea, very nice tea and very healthy also. So soon come back with time, it don't boil. Yeah, man, guys. That's how it look. You have the oil because of the coconut one put in it, and the coconut optional. You don't have to put in the coconut in it. You can just boil it with regular water. Me choose to put the coconut milk because I want the flavor and all that. So I get it straight off. Okay, you have the basic particles nice same way. So I get it straight off and sweeten up. Yeah, man. Put little vanilla in it. We put little mixed spice. You can't put too much other one in it, no, guys, because you have a little chemical taste. So when I want that, a pinch of that. So we put in less and taste it and add in a little cinnamon powder. Alright. And then we go in with the condensed milk and sweeten. And just like that, guys, we make some nice Bissy tea. I must say, you don't have to put the coconut milk in it. I can use coconut milk if you want to put coconut milk in it. If you don't have the original coconut, you can use the milk or the thin one. You don't have to give that little extra bite there, that extra push there. Yeah, man. So this is how I drink right now. Then burn something like the cinnamon powder, give it that look there, right? There's not much tea like some people drink enough tea, but I'm not really a tea person like that. You see me? So just like that, we make some nice Bissy tea. Yeah, man. Or kola tea, because I don't know, Jamaicans we give all kind of nickname, people call it all kind of thing. Bissy, kola, you know. Yeah, man. So get the drink up right now. And this now, make it cool and put it in the fridge. And drink it like a roots. Yeah, man. I'm saying you're a tea person, so I'm not told you enough tea. Yeah, look at this. So the eat, make it open up. So I guess we learn something new. You guys and me. So if me lock up, you can take it up same and put it in the sun, and then when it open up, I just take out the white thing, grate it, dry it, and store it. I can make tea with it dry, I can make tea with it, when it just come out green same way. But me use it because I want it now, and I can't matter with it long to let dry. And the Bissy, guys, I say it's very good for detox, and detox poison from the body, or any toxin from the body, anything like that from the body. It good for belly ache, diarrhea, and all that. Very good, man. I'm say I can't drink too much, because Bissy make you can't sleep because of the caffeine, not the Bissy. So my guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe, watch your ads. So soon, look at look at these mango. See them ugly and roughy, or that rough look, that crusty look. But believe me, they are not lacking any flavors. Really. See what I'm saying? Really? May I emphasize on the really sweet part. Them really sweet. Yeah, man. They are not lacking any flavors. Don't even like to buy it, but not straight away, no. I just cut it right here, so. Yeah, man. Them nice, man. Believe me, man, them nice. This one water when you done. I don't know the name of these mangoes, guys. But I know say I mango them and they're sweet. Yeah, man. So all who can tell me the name, can leave in the comments and tell me the name of these mango. Yeah, man. They're roughy and them feel rough. As I say, the look, the texture of the skin, and they're rough also, and the skin tough, but I tell you, them sweet. And when they drop, they not mash up easy like there's a mango like blackies and the mango there. When they drop, they will get soft because they mango kind of soft mango, but these now, when they drop, they're not soft that easy. And to be true here, And big old mango tree. Big mango tree. In a bay much that year ago. You know what I mean? I say them sweet bad. Yeah man.